Good Monday market review, everyone. This is Caleb down here at the Gold Cove. Gold right now is looking pretty awesome. It's around 4,085, 4,090. Silver is around 5170, 5180, around there. Hopefully we can see 4,152 by the end of the today. Who knows? Maybe later this week it might take a breather. But we are in some strange times for silver right now. Refineries have stopped buying silver. Majority of them, they're pumping the brakes or they're paying at a lower rate. And some won't even say a rate because they don't want to ruin their reputation. If they are buying, they are only buying 9999 silver. 3 nines, 4 nines, you get it. But that people that are buying, they're using the COMEX spot price, which is, I think it's around 47, 48, and they're paying back that, which is crazy to believe. So a strange time for silver right now. I wouldn't say it's a great time to sell silver right now. It could be a great opportunity to buy some silver. We have a really great steal of the week, so stay around to the end to find out what that is. Gold right now is doing phenomenal. We can't keep it in stock. People are paying good rates. China keeps buying it up. We'll dive right into that in 1 second. Sorry, I forgot to mention last week that the government was going to shut down, and it did. So that's why there's not much surveys for last week. Now, we had our FOMC meeting. We have our prelim consumer sentiment, which was up, which is a good thing for our economy. And then we had our prelim inflation expectation, which was down 0.1%. So it didn't change much. But last week, we had some crazy manipulations in many markets, such as precious metals, of course. We talked about that. Cryptos and stocks was a crazy weekend for that. I was looking at my phone, I'm like, holy cow, it's a bloodbath. But hey, it always does come back up, hopefully. There's just big manipulation. Trump, it was a great time to buy. So if you did capitalize on that, on the bloodbath and bought, you're looking pretty good because it's up right now. Silver and gold are up right now. They did not go down in that bloodbath. So that was cool to see. That was the only thing that did not go down. So maybe that's saying something. China and Trump right now are, there's some tension going on. Trump pretty much said, hey, we're gonna impose some more tariffs, guys, so good luck. Hey, we don't want China's government to, our economy to fall, but hey, we also are looking out for ours. And we're wanting, I think Trump is trying to have people to start, building and making stuff here, which is a good thing, but it's gonna make things go up in the time being. So interesting time overall. Now, let's dive right into our upcoming surveys. We're gonna have our Fed talk tomorrow, Powell. Let's see what that's gonna say, and let's see what he's gonna say. And we also have our core PCI. We have our core retail sales. We have our PPI, retail sales, and unemployment claims. So let's see what all of those have to say this upcoming week, because it is an interesting time. I'm sorry, guys, I forgot to say that the government closed down last week, and they are still closed down. So, hey, it's a little scary. Maybe some precious metals are looking a little safe, but there is manipulation in silver right now. So could be a great time to buy. But let's dive right into your steal of the week. Right now, guys, loose generic round bars, these two buckets only in front of me. While supply lasts, we're gonna be doing it at $1.50 back of spot. Holy cow, guys, that's crazy. That's awesome to get it at a great rate. Maybe it's gonna take some breather this week and you guys can capitalize on that, so pay attention. So right now, if you came on in at, current spot, it's around $50.25 per ounce for these two buckets, which is pretty cool and awesome for y'all. We haven't sold silver under spot in I don't know how long. I don't know if we ever have as a shop. So capitalize on that. Guys, stick around, watch our channel, of course, but we're gonna dive right into, we're gonna go into more depth, on, the refineries and the COMEX later this week. So try to watch that video. We're also gonna be doing some more shorts and reels going on. So hopefully that goes good for us as well. And guys, don't forget to check out Cameron's Whatnot. It's called Gold Cove Cam. I was on there, Pops was on there. We were having a blast. We were selling silver under spot. We were selling it fractional silver under our cost. and fractional silver at spot some. And we're also selling copper, some of these cool novelty stuff, TV sets if you would. But hey, it was great. It was fun. A good intercourse between, you know, the live chat and us. It was pretty cool. We had 50 to 70 people in at that room. I think that's the most we had organically, which is awesome. But guys, I gotta wrap it up here. I'm short on time. We're looking busy. I feel like we're gonna be busy. We have been busy for the last weeks, and it looks like we are getting a little busy right now. So hope you guys have a great and wonderful week. Don't forget to buy precious metals and don't live in fear, y'all. Take care.